Start. Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today we're here with another practical and beneficial tutorial. If you've been on the lookout for a clear and concise guide on how to update the estimated time in Jira, you've landed in the right spot. By the end of this video, you'll be a pro at setting precise time estimates for your Jira tasks, making your project management skills top-notch. So let's dive in and get you hands-on with Jira. First, you'll want to navigate your way to the specific project space you're working in. Click on the space corresponding to your project. Why do we do this, you ask? Well, you want to be in the correct space to ensure you're estimating the time for the right project. After all, we don't want our machine learning tasks to get mixed up with the web development ones. Once you're in, your next stop is the work item or task that needs your attention. Look for it and give it a click. Picture it like scrolling through your to-do list and selecting the task you want to work on for the day. Now, once you've clicked on the item, your mission is to find the original estimate field. You might have to look a bit. It might be hiding somewhere towards the bottom half of your screen. This feature allows you to set your own target of how much time this task should realistically take, helping you and your team align on expectations. So, found it? Great. Time to fill in your estimate. You can add time and hours by writing AH. For minutes, you'd add M, and for days, it's D. It's like having a shorthand language to communicate with Jira. You can set the most accurate time estimate according to the scope of your work. Remember to click the check mark to save your estimate, like pressing Enter when you're done writing a sentence. This completes your input. Now we're at the time tracking module. Give that a click. You'll see your estimate is already auto-populated there. This is Jira working its magic, transferring your estimate to the official time tracking system, freeing you from manual entry and saving that precious time for you. Closing up, have a glance at the Spent option. This is where you can update how much time you've actually spent on the task. Adjust it as your work progresses. Then remember to hit Save, just like clicking Done when you've finished updating your progress and there you have it. That's how you update the estimated time in Jira, straight and simple. Practice these steps, and before long, it'll feel like second nature. Drop a comment if you have any questions or share your experiences of using Jira. Be sure to hit that like button if you found this tutorial useful, and don't forget to subscribe for more crystal clear tutorials like this one. Happy tracking, folks!